So 1 year ago, I did my first Abraham Hicks meditation, and I visualized attracting you and having a conversation. And I live 100 yards away, so thanks for coming to my front yard.
That explains a lot, doesn't it?
It does. So my question is a financial abundance question. For 20 years, I've enjoyed business growth and expansion and financial abundance and all the good things that come along with that. And when the recession came, it hit my industry hard and my business hard.
Grid.
My question is, yes, thank you. So my question is it my disallowing, or is it the economic realities of the recession that's blocking my financial abundance?
Well, it doesn't matter if it's a reality or your perception of a reality. It's the vibration of your being that affects you, period. So there are a lot of people who say, well, we live in this world and we cannot put our head in the sand and ignore the reality. And we say, well, you can observe reality as it is, or you can create reality. It's your choice. But most people are recreating reality based upon the what is that they are observing. And it's why things go slow for you. And it's why you feel uncomfortable. In other words, the answer to the question is the same in either way. Abraham, is there really a monster in the bushes, or do I just think there's a monster in the bushes? And we say, in either case, get off the bench. Get off the bench. Move away from where you think the monster is. Which means don't think about the monster, don't talk about the monster, don't give the monster power. It has no power unless you give it to it, you see. But many of you say, well, this recession or this state of affairs, this is big, this is valid, this is real. And we say, there are always people who thrive under the worst of conditions. Sure. And there are always people who suffer mightily under the best of conditions. This is a time when those who have and those who have not, the contrast between them is becoming more stark. There could be a complete restructuring of all of the finances of the world or even of your nation. But let's say a global restructuring where it is all gathered and all divvied out and all given to everyone evenly, and it would not be 10 years before it was right back the way it is, because law of attraction is a powerful thing, you see. So you get to decide where you play in this. Our question to you is, when you talk about the recession or think about it, how do you feel? Does it make you feel empowered or disempowered?
Disempowered.
Does it make you feel in control or out of control? Is it an in the vortex or an out of the vortex conversation? Does it allow your grid to fill in with opportunities that we promise you are out there? Or do you join the masses who are depriving themselves of the opportunities and using what is as your excuse to not let the future be different?